Okay, Mr. and Miss. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people. While we are waiting for the others, I will review first from the first meeting and the last meeting. In the first meeting, we have done the pre-test, and then the second meeting and the third, we discussed about some materials, including alphabet, telling the number, telling the schedule, how to tell the time in British and America.
Style.
And yes, British style. As we know, in our program, Bapak Ibu sekalian ya, in our program, every meeting we have a point. So every meeting we have a point like this. I will share screen. Okay, every meeting we have a point. Jadi setiap meeting itu ada nilainya, Bu ya. So it will be, it has the relation
Tadi
for the.
Udah senang juara satu kitanya berdasarkan abjad.
Pak Anton ya nomor 1. And for the rubric score, if this one, if there is no information doesn't join, the score will be 0. But if you ask permission before the class, not join the class, so the point will be 50 or based on the tutor. And if you just enter, you will get 70 or based on the tutor. If you are active, so the score will be increased like that. All right, everyone. So let's start the meeting and the lesson today. Before that, I will review. I will call you one by one. Please say in English how to tell the time in British. In British. In British.
Excuse me, Mr. Barak.
Yes, madam.
Maybe I can see my name at your list. Maybe.
Really? What's your name, madam?
Arifah Lawanis.
Arifah. Oh, enggak ada ya?
Enggak ada.
In the first meeting, did you join the pre-test, madam?
Yes. Always.
Oh, wait. I will check. Oh, yeah. Sorry, what's your name, madam? Erlina. Yes, Erlina.
Haripah Lawanis.
Oh, Haripah Lawanis. Haripah Lawanis. Ada. Oke, ada.
It is 2 4 7. What time is it? It is 6. Nah, begitu. Ini yang versi American style.
Stop.
Yang kedua adalah versi British. Yang ini dibalik dari kanan ke kiri, maksudnya dari menitnya dulu, baru ke jamnya. Jadi menit dulu baru ke jamnya. Yes, Mr. Hammer.
Ini ya, Ibu ya, Haripah Lawanis. Like this. Like this. Kayak gini, Ibu. Ya. Halo? Do you hear my voice?
Ini masih apa nih, belum tampilannya, Mas?
Oh, belum. Masih.
Ya, masih folder file-file.
Sudah tampil Ibu, Bapak? Belum? Ini kelihatan? Sudah tampil? Sudah tampil? Kelihatan Bapak, Ibu?
Sudah.
Oke ya. Hari Pahlawanis. Ini Bu ya, like this ya. Nanti kita cek juga. Maybe some of you the name is not in the
Famil Haris ini.
list. Sorry?
Famil Haris ini kelas sebelah, Mr. Barak.
Oh, Fahmi Haris ini.
Ya.
Ini sebelah. Sydney. Ya, yang belum ada mungkin Bapak Ibu. Sudah semua ya. Fahmi Haris. Oh iya. Oke, nanti tak konfirmasi ke adminnya lagi. So now let's we do the brainstorming. Kita brainstorming dulu. Please look at the chat box. Silakan Bapak Ibu lihat di chat box yang masing-masing. I will share link over there. Bisa dibuka chat box-nya. Okay. Please take a look at your chat box in the Zoom. There is a link. And please klik the link. Silakan klik linknya Bapak Ibu yang ada di chat box. Kita pemanasan dulu ya. Silakan diklik mulai. Ini ya, ada mulai. Klik mulai. Oke. Nah, ini sudah ada Ibu Yuni Astuti. Silakan diklik mulai. Klik link in the chat box Zoom. Oke, silakan. Ya. Oke. Yang lain, Bapak Ibu? Oke, ada 1, 2, 3, 4, masih 4. 4 orang. Silakan klik link di chat box-nya Zoom. Ibu ini sudah, Bu Wilda mungkin belum, Bu Wilda ya. Masih 4. Apaan sudah, Bu Erlina, Bu Erlina sudah belum? Silakan klik chat di chat box-nya Zoom, diklik Bapak Ibu. Yang belum diklik, dan klik mulai ya. Atau start. Oke. Ya. Saya anggap sudah. Silakan, saya akan klik mulai. Coba Bapak Ibu jawab sebisanya. Oke. Are you ready? Ready? Yes. Belum ada yang tetap. Belum ada yang bergabung. Coba diklik lagi Bapak Ibu. Yang terakhir, link terakhir. Belum ada yang masuk. Diklik lagi yang terakhir. Belum ada yang masuk. Chat box Zoom yang terakhir ini. Belum ada yang masuk. Bisa Bapak Ibu? Belum ada yang masuk nih. Nggak bisa. Belum ada yang masuk?
Udah diklik link terakhir.
Ini belum ada yang masuk Bapak Ibu. Saya refresh saja deh.
Yang mananya?
Oh iya ini.
Klik
Oke,
lagi.
sudah ya. Sudah ya.
Udah.
Kita mulai. 1, 2, 3.
7.
Sebisanya Bapak Ibu silakan dikerjakan.
Iya, jadi bahasa Inggris ini sama seperti bahasa Indonesia di Indonesia. Jadi ada beberapa logat yang memang terkenal.
Bapak Ari, Bapak Anton belum masuk.
Indonesia
Pak.
versi Medan. Jadi bisa dikatakan Amerika dan British ini adalah program. Mereka adalah program. Namun cara baca.
Assalamualaikum. Mr. Barak, I'm sorry I come late.
Style mereka misalnya buat slide British style work fine.
Bapak Anton nggak dikerjakan?
Sudah soal ke-7 saya apa? Tapi kok tampil ya?
Oh, nggak tampil. Belum ada poinnya ya, Pak. Oke, Pak Ari sudah menduduki posisi
Padahal saya sudah
ketiga.
sampai happing itu tadi.
Jadi tidak masalah. Kenapa saya tidak Amerika ini tadi saya katakan lebih mudah dipahami oleh dengan sama lebih mudah menggunakan
Gimana? Diulang dari awal atau gimana, Mr. Barak?
Nggak apa, udah. Sudah berlanjut?
Oh, yang di chat terakhir ya?
Ya. Oke, cukup. Yang tertinggi Madam Erlina. Ya.
Congratulations.
Madam Erlina nomor 1. Ya. Oke, itu tadi. That's about simple present actually. Simple present and present continuous. Sometimes when we speak, we produce the statement by using simple present and present continuous. Why we do the brainstorming, making the statement by using present continuous and simple present? Because today we are going to discuss about describing things. Ini termasuk salah satu terapi how to speak, exercise how to speak, speaking training, latihan ngomong salah satunya adalah dengan cara describing thing. Describing thing, it means we tell everything about the things. Kita ceritakan apapun tentang barang yang akan kita ceritakan. So our goal today, we will do describing thing and making question and answer by using simple present. Okay. Before that, we take a look here. There are some vocabularies. As usual, I will say and then you repeat. Okay? Repeat after me. Okay. Yes. Repeat after me. Okay. Yes. Udah capek Bapak Ibu ya? Oke. To save. To wear. To put. To cut. To call. To play. To lock. To open. To withdraw. To drive. Okay, now I say in bahasa Indonesia and then you say in English. Menyimpan. Okay, memakai, mengenakan. Okay, meletakkan. Memotong. Memanggil. Bermain. Mengunci. Membuka. Open. Ada O-nya. Open. Okay, repeat again. Membuka.
Open.
Menarik uang.
To withdraw.
Withdraw. Oke, menyetir.
To drive.
Oke. Some vocabularies here ada beberapa yang hampir mirip dengan kata-kata lain. For example, memakai. Memakai itu to wear, but sometimes the people say to use. Ada to wear sama use. Do you know the difference? Use and wear.
Where?
Bedanya apa Bapak Ibu kalau use sama wear?
Kalau use menggunakan apa sesuatu tapi apa ya
Bentuknya
ada barangnya di tempat lain mungkin itu mungkin.
Kalau
Kalau
wear
wear
nggak
itu
ada
biasa
barangnya.
digunakan memakai baju, memakai topi atau apa gitu.
Very good. To use itu menggunakan sesuatu tapi barangnya tidak menempel di badan.
Nah,
Like that. But to wear itu kita menggunakan sesuatu tapi barangnya nempel. For example, pakai baju berarti to use apa to wear?
wear.
Wearing the cloth, bukan
Wearing the
using the cloth. Kalau kita bilang I use the cloth, nah kalau I use the cloth mungkin pakaiannya buat ngelap nanti agak dipakai nanti akhirnya. Use. Kalau use, for example, I use my pen. I use my pen. Nah, pennya kan tidak melekat di badan, cuma dipakai aja. Nah, kita pakainya I use. Gitu. And then ada juga di sini drive. Drive. Ada drive, ada juga ride. Do you know different? The difference?
Yes. Drive for the car.
Okay.
And ride for the motorcycle.
Motorcycle. Kalau bus berarti
Drive.
drive.
Driving.
Kalau bicycle
Riding.
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 Kalau pedicab.
What?
Pedicab. Do you know
What is?
pedicab? Pedicab itu becak.
Oh.
Becak ondel itu. Pedicab.
Right, maybe.
Right apa drive?
Maybe.
Right.
Right, maybe.
Oke, jadi kalau misalkan orangnya itu terlihat di luar, itu kita pakai right. Tapi kalau orangnya itu nggak kelihatan dari luar, pakainya drive.
Drive. Oke.
Very good. So that's about the vocabulary. Kalau mau bilang orangnya, tinggal dikasih R. Driver, rider, gitu ya. Menulis itu
Writer. Writing.
Right, gitu kan Bu ya. Jadi dikasih writer orangnya.
Oh iya.
Kalau mendengar itu apa?
Listen.
So the person is listener.
Oh, listener.
Membaca.
Read.
Kalau orangnya
Reader.
Oke. Mengambil, kita apa mengambil? Take. Orang yang mengambil. Taker. Jadi exam taker, pengambil ujian. Meletakkan apa? Meletakkan put. Nah, orangnya berarti apa?
Puter.
Jadi nggak semuanya. Nggak semuanya. So that's only some vocabularies that can be added by er. That's the person. Alright. Now, why we study about this vocabulary? Because we are going to do the describing that relate to this vocabulary. Now, when we describe something, okay, to practice our speaking, firstly, we have to mention the name of the things. Jadi disebutin nama barangnya itu apa dulu. And then we can say the color or the shape. Color itu apa Bapak Ibu?
Warna.
Ini kalau dalam British bisa disebut color atau juga bisa color. Itu juga bisa. Shape, bentuknya ya. Oke, bentuk. Kalau kotak itu apa Bapak Ibu? Kotak itu apa?
Rectangle.
Bulat. Bulat itu apa?
Bulat.
Round. Jadi bulat itu round. Kalau kotak tadi rectangle. Atau square juga bisa. square. SpongeBob SquarePants. Oh, berarti SpongeBob itu kotak.
Oh.
And then after that, when we describe something, we can tell the function, fungsinya buat apa, the function, function for to write maybe, to bring and everything. Sekarang saya izin. Oh ya, oh yes, Madam Ida izin. And then after that, we can tell the strength and the weakness. What is the strength? Do you know the strength?
Kekuatan,
Kelebihan, kekuatan gitu.
Kelebihan, ya. And then the weakness. Weakness itu apa sih?
kelemahan.
Kelemahan. And then etc. Bisa ceritaan yang lain. Where we get the things, dari mana dapatnya mungkin, belinya berapa, dipakai buat apa, kayak gitu, everything. That's the general thing. Okay, now I have some picture here. I will call you and then please answer my question. Okay, I will ask to
Iya, nak.
Miss Haripa aja ya. Miss Haripa. Hello, Miss Haripa. Miss Haripa.
Yes, I am.
Hey, how are you, Miss Haripa?
I studying with my doctor.
Your doctor.
My little doctor.
Oh, yes. How young is she? How young is she?
2
years.
2 years.
Years old.
2 years old.
2 years old, yes.
Okay, let me give you the question. What is this? The picture.
This is
Cap or hat.
What? Sorry?
Cap or hat.
Cap or?
Cap.
Do you have a hat or cap?
I don't have because I wearing hijab.
Veil. Nah, hijab itu veil.
Veil?
Hijab itu veil.
Veil.
Veil. Okay.
Pakai veil. Jadi kalau ini
Veil.
namanya veil. Ini kalau yang bawah ini gagal, kalau yang atas itu kerudung. This is
kerudung.
veil. This is veil. Agak berat. Veil. Veil. Nah, also, you don't have a cap in your house.
Yes.
How about your husband?
Maybe.
Maybe.
I think
Maybe.
no. I think no.
Oh no.
But I have.
No.
But I have. Apa tadi bahasa Inggrisnya tapi, Mister?
Cap.
Cap.
Yes, cap.
But I have a cap. Oh, cap. Okay. I have a cap, but don't use.
I seldom use it. Ya, I seldom jarang dipakai ya. I seldom use it. Okay.
Maybe
So
like the phone cap gitu.
Oh yes. Do you know what is the function of the cap? The function of the cap.
Melindungi.
To save. Tadi ada ya.
Oh yeah, save. To save the face from the sunscreen. Maybe.
Sunlight.
Oh, sunlight. Oh iya, itunya bedaknya. Okay.
Oh iya. Sunlight. Okay, very good. So last time you said that you have a cap. Yeah. You have a cap.
Pardon me?
You
Sorry?
have a cap. Do you have a cap last time? Yeah.
Yes.
What is the strength of your cap?
Maybe because at my cap have tulisan
Written
Pon Papua.
Oh, Pon Papua. So it's very valuable because of
Yeah.
it's from Pon Papua. Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Haripa. Good job.
Okay, you're welcome, Mister.
Now I will call again. I have the second picture. I will call who wants? Raise your hand and in the Zoom. Yang mau ngobrol? Raise your hand on the Zoom.
Madam Erlina.
Madam Erlina, yeah. Okay, Madam Erlina. Okay, Madam Erlina, how are you today?
I'm very fine, thanks.
Fine. Where are you now?
I'm in. I borrow the ruangan.
The room?
Yes, yes.
Whose room? Whose room?
My ex header in office.
Either in the office. Okay, all right. What is this? What do you see on the picture?
This is a jacket.
Jacket. Do you have a jacket? Madam
Yes, I
Erlina?
have.
Okay, what is the color of your jacket?
The color of my jacket is pink.
Pink.
Wow.
Oh, how many jackets do you have?
Just one.
Just only one. Oh, just one. Okay. Do you know what is the function of your jacket?
My jacket I use when I need some hangatan or when I feel cold, and whenever if it's something I feel not bad.
Oh yeah, if you are not feeling good, so you
Yeah.
wear the jacket. Oh yeah, I
Yes.
see. Feeling good, if not feeling good, jadi kalau ada perasaan gak enak, pakai jaket. Okay, that's very good. What is the strength of your pink jacket?
The price is more expensive than my other clothes, maybe.
How much, madam? Sorry, may I know how much is it?
But
Cobain bahasa Inggris, harganya. How much is it?
not too expensive, but dibandingkan dengan yang lain more expensive.
Oh,
Yeah.
it is more expensive than the other.
Yes, yes.
More expensive than the other. Okay, very good. Thank you very much, Madam Erlina. Now I want to ask Madam Erlina, ask two other people based on this picture. Oke ya, Madam Erlina yang nanya, yang lain menjawab. I want to call Mr. Ari. Ya.
Good afternoon, Mr. Ari.
Good afternoon, Miss Lina. Miss Lina.
How do you feel this sore ini?
This afternoon?
Yes, I think I'm good.
Good. I want to ask you some question about this picture. Do you know what is this?
Mini table?
Mini table. Do you have in your house?
No.
No. In your class maybe or your office?
In my office.
Office, okay. How many table do you have in your office?
I think I have just one.
Just one. What's the color of your table in your office?
I think my table is
Iya, Pak.
brown color.
Brown color. Okay, brown color.
How do you think about your table function?
To my job.
The other function maybe?
To apa sih bahasanya untuk letak laptop?
Sorry, to put?
To put to my laptop.
To put my laptop.
Yes, to put my laptop.
Is there any strength of your table?
Sorry, Mister, kalau ini gimana ya maksudnya? What is strength ini?
Kelebihannya apa?
Kelemahan.
Kelebihannya mejanya apa?
Kelebihannya.
Yes. Mungkin dari harganya, terbuat dari kayu jati, mungkin warnanya gitu, awet.
Oh, okay. In my office, I think my table kalau mahal
Free maybe.
Expensive.
Yes, expensive.
Thank you very much, Mr. Ari, for our conversation.
You're welcome, Miss Lina. Thank you.
Yes.
Okay, next. Very good. So, when we tell or describe something, we have to speak by using simple present. Do you know simple present, Mr. and Madam? Simple present. Okay. For example, Contoh ya, I have 2 sentences in bahasa Indonesia, and then how do you say in English? For example, saya lapar, jadi saya makan. Oke, gimana bahasa Inggrisnya?
I'm hungry, so
I'm hungry, so I'm eating.
I am hungry, so I am.
Eat.
Silakan lagi. Saya minum karena saya haus.
I drink because
drink because I thirst.
I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty.
Oke, satu lagi. Saya capek, jadi saya istirahat.
I am
tired, so
I take a rest.
Take a rest.
Alright. Nah, we take a look at these sentences. Jadi dalam bahasa itu ada 2 macam kalimat. There are 2 kinds of sentences. Yang pertama adalah kalimat yang ada kata kerjanya, dan yang kedua itu nggak ada kata kerjanya, tidak ada kata kerjanya. Jadi tidak ada aktivitasnya. For example, satu kalimat ini ya. Saya makan, ada kata kerjanya nggak?
Ada.
Apa kata kerjanya?
Makan.
Nah ini, saya lapar, ada kata kerjanya nggak?
Tidak.
Nggak ada. Jadi nggak ada aktivitasnya. Kalau ada kata yang tidak ada aktivitasnya, maka di tengah-tengahnya harus dikasih is, am, are. Gitu. Jadi saya lapar menjadi I am hungry. Oke. Tapi kalau saya makan, langsung aja I eat, gitu aja. Karena present berarti I eat. I am hungry, so I eat. Yang bawah, ini juga gitu. Saya haus. Kira-kira gimana? I
think because
I'm thirsty.
Yang ada M-nya mana? Yang ada is M-nya? Yang minum apa yang haus?
Haus. I'm thirsty.
Thirsty bukan kegiatan ya, berarti ada M-nya. Ya. Kalau yang ini, saya capek, saya istirahat. Yang ada is M-nya yang mana?
Saya capek.
Saya capek. Oke, jadi I am tired. Atau I am exhausted. Exhausted. Do you know exhausted? Exhausted itu very tired, sangat capek kalau exhausted. Exhausted. Okay, that's about.
Sangat capek.
Now let's see ini ya, Bapak ya. In the language, jadi di bahasa itu juga ada 4 macam kalimat. Ada yang namanya positif, ini yang pasti populer di kampung Inggris Pari juga. Ada yang namanya kalimat positif, this is positive statement, and then negative statement, and also interrogative statement, and the last is question word. Ya. Jadi pernyataan ada positif, ada negatif, ada yes, no, interrogatif, dan juga question word. 4 ini. Pasti ada 4 ini yang diucapkan. Positif itu ya kalimat biasa, statement, for example, I have a hat atau I have a cap. Dah biasa. Saya punya topi. Tapi kalau you, berarti ya you have a hat. Kita, we have a hat. She, nah kalau she, have-nya diganti menjadi has. She has a hat. And then negative statement, kalau yang namanya negatif itu bertentangan. Ada kata-kata tidaknya, tidak dilakukan atau tidak punya. Nah harus dikasih don't, ada do-nya. Itu bukan I not have, harus ada I don't have. I don't have a hat. You don't have a hat. We don't have a hat. Oke. Bapak Ibu, pronoun, do you know pronoun? Kata ganti ada apa aja? Ada I, apa lagi coba? You, terus?
We,
they, and then we, terus?
she,
She,
it,
It.
Oke, sama nama orang satu misalkan Bom. Ya.
Bom.
Orang.
Oke. Nah, noun. Don't. Ini do. Nah, kalau pertanyaannya tuh jawabannya antara ya sama tidak. Nah, misalnya saya nanya ke bahasa Indonesia kayak gini. Apakah Anda makan? Jawabannya gimana? Kalau
Yes.
ya
Do you
tidak.
have it?
You have
eat?
it. Do you eat?
Do you eat?
Do you have
Do you eat?
it?
Do you eat?
Ya, Kak.
Apakah Anda belajar? Tadi do you
Do
study?
you
Tadi.
Do you study?
Kalau jawabannya gimana? Do you study? Jawabannya
Yes, I
Yes, I do.
I have
Yes, I
I have
do.
I
studied.
do.
Jadi
Yes,
kalau
I-
misalkan pertanyaannya ada do-nya di awal, berarti kalau jawabannya pasti nggak yes sama
Yes.
no.
I do.
Nah, kalau yang question word, nah ini pertanyaannya jawabannya ada informasinya. Contoh, apa yang Anda makan? Jawabannya apa? Jawabannya beda-beda ya.
What do you eat?
I eat
Apple.
Apa yang Anda makan? Jadi apa? Apa
I eat
yang
fried
Anda makan?
rice.
Jadi I eat fried rice. Jadi ada informasi. Nah, kalau pertanyaannya jawabannya bukan ya atau tidak, ya berarti apa ya? Kapan Anda makan? Berarti ya when do you?
where
Where do you?
where
Kapan when ya? Sorry.
oh iya where di mana?
When do you?
Nah,
Where?
kalau yang ini tadi kan ada aktivitasnya. Kalau yang nggak ada aktivitasnya, it, nah harus dikasih is. Kalau I berarti apa tadi? I am. You
Are
are. They
are
Are.
I are
we are. She
Is.
is. He
Is.
is. It is. Bom
Is.
is. Okay. Alright. Kalau bom and bim
Are.
and
or
Bim Bim.
they are
Ini karena dua orang jadinya they, makanya pakainya
they are ya
Bom and Bim Bim are.
they are.
Okay. So that's about the simple present to tell or describe the thing. Jadi nanti ada yang pakai verb, ada yang aktivitas, ada yang nggak ada kata kerja. Okay, now let's practice to speak. I have 3 things here. Okay, what is the first picture, everyone? How do you say in English?
Scissors.
Gunting. Scissors.
Scissors.
Okay. Scissors. How to spell
Scissors?
scissors? How do you spell scissors? S. One.
E
C.
I.
Double.
E.
Okay.
I.
Scissors. Gunting. Okay. And then the second picture.
Double
S.
S.
O.
The second picture is
Handphone.
handphone. And the third picture is
Credit card.
credit card.
credit card or ATM. Or we can say saving card. Yeah, saving card.
Saving card, kartu penyimpanan.
Atau ATM, saving card. Okay, now please choose one of this picture and please describe it. Yeah, you can say the name and then the color, the function, the shape, and the strength and the weakness and everything. Describe one thing from this picture. Okay, choose one. I will call you and please describe it.
Describe.
Yes. Have you choose? Have you chosen? Sudah dipilih Bapak Ibu?
Yes.
Sudah ya. Okay. Now, who wants describe first? Siapa yang mau?
Me.
Me. Okay, Madam Haripa. Okay. While Madam Haripa is speaking, please all your audiences give the question. Prepare the question. Okay.
Kacau.
Or retelling, diceritakan ulang apa yang diucapkan Bu Arifah. Oke. Are you ready, Miss Arifah?
Yeah.
Okay, time. What do you choose?
I choose the handphone.
Okay, time is yours.
Okay, thanks, Mr. Barak, for this for the time. I choose a handphone. I want to describing my about my phone. This is a handphone. I have the banyak warna kalau
many colors.
Many colors. I have many colors. Yeah, my phone is many color, and I always use this handphone for business, and then for teaching, and then for the other. My strength of my phone is my phone can use two camera in the back,
yes.
Yeah, and then depan
front
kamera if sedang living live streaming. Nah,
for live streaming.
Ya, saat live streaming gitu loh.
Yeah.
When I'm live streaming, I can use two camera with my phone. Okay, maybe okay, enough maybe. Thank you.
Okay, very good. Give applause for Madam Arifah.
Thank
Okay,
you.
please give one question. I will call you. Please, Miss Nikita, give the question to Madam Arifah.
Hello, Madam Arifah.
Yes, hello. Good afternoon, Miss Nikki.
Yeah. How many phone do you have?
For this time, I just one phone.
Oh, one phone. Okay.
Yes. I think enough for the life.
Oh yeah.
Just only one phone, because at the one phone we can to using for everything, for many functions. Thank you.
Okay, yes. Enough, Miss Nikita?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. And then Mr. Anton, are you there? Mr. Anton is busy. Sibuk ya?
Apa, Pak?
Playing tennis maybe?
Oh, main tenis.
Because
yeah, Miss Yuni, yeah. Madam Yuni, please give the question.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Hello, my sister Harifah Lawani.
Yes, Miss Yuni.
Oh, berapa harga sih?
How much?
You price your handphone? Because your handphone is with my mom.
My handphone same with your madam handphone, so I think you know how much I buying this phone.
Because you businesswoman and pandai melobi, bisa murah lah harganya.
No,
if you
no.
Buy together, the price will be cheap.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Enough, Madam Yuni.
Thank you.
That's the question. Okay. Yes, very good. Thank you very much. Give applause again for Madam Arifah for the explanation. Let's do some correction, everyone. When we say banyak, ya banyak in bahasa Indonesia, there are some words that we can use, but some of them has different function. For example, many, and then much, and then a lot of. Oke, bedanya kalau many itu barangnya bisa dihitung. Ya. Contoh yang bisa dihitung misalkan table kan bentuknya ada, bisa dihitung. Banyak meja ya many tables, harus dikasih S, many tables. Misalkan lagi many rumah ya, many houses, nah ada S-nya. Pokoknya kalau ada many, belakangnya harus banyak dikasih S. Kecuali kata-kata tertentu. Misalkan, banyak orang. Banyak orang, how to say in English? Many
Many people.
Many people.
People. Tapi nggak ada S-nya.
Oh, nggak ada.
Khusus
Why?
Kalau satu orang itu
Person.
One person.
Kalau banyak, misalkan dua, berarti
Many
two
person.
people.
Oh.
Nah, gitu. Jadi ada vocabnya sendiri. Misalkan lagi contoh, satu anak berarti one child. Kalau dua anak itu cukup deh. Dua anak itu two
Children.
Nah, bukan child, tapi ada sendiri. Beberapa. Misalkan lagi ada lagi satu tikus, seperti apa? Two mouse. Kalau dua berarti banyak kan, lebih satu. Itu mice. Mice. Itu
No,
penggunaan
Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse. Mickey-nya cuma satu. Kalau banyak ya Mickey Mice. Nah, kalau much itu untuk benda yang nggak bisa dihitung, misalkan air kan nggak bisa dihitung. Satu air, dua air nggak bisa. So we can say much water. Nah, gitu. Misalkan lagi gula itu bisa dihitung nggak bisa?
No,
we cannot count the sugar. So we can say much sugar. Dan masih banyak lagi. Kalau a lot of ini bisa dipakai dua-duanya. Boleh yang bisa dihitung, boleh yang nggak bisa dihitung. A lot of tables boleh, atau a lot of water.
Cantiknya anak bunda nih.
And then ya itu aja. Okay. When we ask, ketika kita nanya how many, make sure that we put S. Misalkan how many table, berarti kan gitu ya, harus ada S-nya. How many tables. Jadi kalau bilang how many harus banyak barangnya. How many tables? How many phones? How many people? Like that. Okay, now I will call the second speaker. Who wants? I will please raise your hand. Raise your hand. Okay, saya let me ask Miss Haripah to choose. Silakan Haripah pilih satu.
maybe Miss Yuni.
Miss Yuni, ya Miss Yuni. Okay, are you ready, Miss Yuni? What do you choose? What do you choose?
Next time, okay. I think I choose my handphone.
Handphone, okay. Time is yours.
Handphone beside me, ATM in my pocket.
Okay, all right.
This is my handphone. Hijau apa sih Kak? Green ya?
Green.
My handphone is green. I think the strength my handphone. This is my handphone have the best quality camera and have memorinya banyak apa sih?
Sorry. Memory dia bisa dihitung berarti many.
Many memories. Many
space ya.
Many space for memory. My handphone. This is I think this so expensive. Thank you.
Okay, please give the question, Mr. Ari. Give the question to Madam Yuni.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Barak. Hello, good afternoon, Miss Yuni.
Yeah, good afternoon, Mr. Ari.
Okay, I want to ask to you. With your phone, are you? Maaf, Mr. Barak, kalau apakah kamu do you ya?
Do you?
Do you?
Yes.
Do you play game with your phone?
No.
Oh no, okay.
No.
I think Yuni Astuti don't like the game.
Okay.
Sophie Candy maybe. Sophie Candy.
You use your phone with apa saja apa sih?
Sorry, apa?
Kalau apa saja? Apa?
What? What for?
What for? Do you use your phone? What for?
What for do you use your phone?
What for do you use your phone?
What for?
And then they call there someone, my friend, my family, take picture, saving my dad, and banking, ya gitulah.
Okay.
Making content maybe.
Making content.
Yes,
Yeah.
make content for
Make
YouTube.
YouTube channel.
Okay. Thank you, Miss
Alright.
Yuni.
Thank you,
Thank you, Mr. Bara.
Yeah,
That's
you're
it,
welcome.
I think.
Okay, and then Miss Erlina, yeah, give the question, Miss Erlina.
Do you have the other phones, Miss Yuni?
Apa?
Do you have the
Yes, I
other
have.
phone?
Yes,
How
I
much?
have two handphones.
You have two phones?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Enough, Madam Erlina? Just that?
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Enough.
Oh, enough. Oh, yeah. Okay, and then, yes. Okay, thank you very much. Give applause for Madam Yuni and the questioner. Now, let's do some correction anymore again. When we say the, okay, the or a, if the or a is followed by the consonant, ya, kalau kata-kata the atau a diikutin sama huruf konsonan, misalkan the phone, nah, a phone, ini tetap dibaca the sama a. But if it is followed by vocal, for example, older. Ini bacanya bukan the, tapi the. The other. The other, not the other, but the other. Kalau hurufnya vokal. For example, again, another example. The alphabet. Nah, bukan the alphabet, tapi the alphabet. Kalau student, berarti apa?
The student.
The or the?
The student.
The student, karena hurufnya konsonan.
Konsonan.
Oke, kalau misalkan lagi payung, apa payung?
Umbrella.
Oke, pakai
Berarti
the umbrella. The umbrella. Once more, misalkan kampus.
University. The university.
Oke, the apa?
The university.
Ini bacanya apa ini, Bapak? Ini yang blok ini.
You
itu hurufnya konsonan apa vokal? You.
Vokal.
You. Vokal kan A, I, U, E, O. Kalau you itu konsonan apa vokal?
Vokal.
Konsonan. You.
Konsonan. Oh, berarti
pengucapan
ini. Iya.
Ini
berarti the university.
The
university.
Jadi yang dilihat itu pengucapannya. Kalau ini kan bacanya kan ini kan. Ini kan oh berarti konsonan. Ini you, oh berarti konsonan. Pakainya the. And then kalau pakai nanti ada dua, sama n. Kalau book konsonan berarti ya
a book.
Kalau n itu yang diikutin sama vokal, misalkan
apple.
An apple. Ya.
Apple.
An apple. Kalau kursi,
Chair.
Chair apa chair? Bisa chair ya. Chair. Misalkan lagi semut, berarti apa? N apa? N. Sometimes when we speak itu nanti kalau ada huruf n sama di, n-nya ini digabungin. Enna.
No space.
Like this. An apple. Nah, gitu. Jadi digabungin.
Oh, bacanya juga digabung ya, Mas?
Nen. Ya bisa digabung. Itu namanya connecting word. Nen. Many native speaker they speak by using connecting word. Makanya kalau di itu sulit karena mereka digabung-gabungkan kayak gini.
Mana lagi ini, Nak?
Okay, that's about our describing everyone. And then The last, nanti coba Bapak Ibu, besok itu kan hari Jumat ya.
Jumat.
Besok itu ada examination, ujian nanti. Ujiannya apa? Ujiannya nanti 1, tell about yourself and then spelling. Jadi mungkin namanya di spell, nama kotanya mungkin di spell, kayak gitu. Baca jam in British and America, and then describing picture. Gambar-gambarnya ini. Sudah saya siapin. Nanti diacak, yang keluar mana, berarti itu yang harus dideskripsikan. Setelah mendeskripsikan, nanti yang uji bakal nanya beberapa pertanyaan, and you should answer the question as long as you speak like that. Oke, Bapak Ibu. Ya, Mr. Irfan. Oke. Do you have question, Bapak Ibu?
Enough.
Oke, the last ada expression. Mari kita baca bareng-bareng ya. Terakhir, repeat after me.
Okay, Josh.
Okay, Josh.
Are you done?
Are you done?
Are you done?
What did you say?
What did you say?
Are you done? Done.
Are you done?
Okay. What did you say?
What did you say?
Hurry up.
Hurry up.
Hurry up.
Move a bit, please.
Move a bit,
Please.
It's easy as a pie.
It's easy as a
Easy
pie.
as a pie.
Ini bisa digabungin ini. It's easy as a pie.
Easy as a pie.
It's easy as a pie.
Okay, I say in bahasa Indonesia in English. Sudah selesai?
Are you
Are you
done?
done?
Ngomong apa Anda?
What did you say?
Cepetan dong.
Hurry
Hurry
up.
up.
Geser dikit dong.
Move a bit, please.
Please.
Gampang banget.
It's easy as a pie.
Oke, cepetan dong.
Hurry up.
Hurry up.
Hurry up.
Sudah selesai?
Are you done?
Are
Geser
you
dikit
done?
dong.
Move a bit, please.
Oh, a bit, please.
Gampang banget.
Easy as a pie.
Sudah selesai?
Are you done?
Geser dikit dong.
Move a bit,
Move a
please.
bit, please.
Cepetan dong.
Hurry
Hurry
up.
up.
Okay, alright. Thank you very much, Bapak Ibu. That's all our meeting. Have a nice meeting. Next meeting tomorrow we will have exam. Let's close our meeting by pray together. Pray begin. Okay, thank you very much. See you tomorrow. Last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thanks for today, Mr.
Thanks,
Barat.
Mr. Barat.
Mr. Barat, please. I want some permintaan, request, please.
Yes, request.
Could you share your PowerPoint, please?
Yes. I have shared.
At group.
I have shared into the group.
Yes.
Yang our meeting for the first time.
Yes, I have shared into the group, madam.
Until today.
Yes, I have shared into the.
Yes, thank you, Mr.
Yeah,
Barat.
all right. Yes, thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Barat. See you. Udah di rumah kakak dek.
Thank you, Mr. Barat.
You're welcome.
Loh, ada pendatang siapa itu?
Baru, Bang.
Ih, pendatang baru. Welcome. Welcome to week class.
First mate.
First mate.
Kada pulang di Kediri kamu dek, ngapain ikut juga join? Udah pintar.
Iya.